Hello everyone, today we are going to be making this example plugin in Runelite. In this example plugin we will have this simple input field and we are going to set up our development environment to be able to make our very own Runelite plugins. Okay, so let's talk about the requirements. You will need intellij ID Community Edition. Make sure it's the Community Edition. You will also need a GitHub account. And you also need Java 11. You can install Java 11 by the link in the description or via intellij. I'll show you how to download it via intellij later on in the video. Okay, so first off, click the link in the description to generate an example plugin repository. Then you will see this webpage. In the repository name section, name your plugin something appropriate. I'm gonna do example in my case. In the description section, you can describe your plugin. Make sure your plugin is public and then hit create repository from template. Once you've generated your repository, you can navigate to the page and then click on code. And then you'll see this URL right here. We are going to be copying it. Okay, so once you've done that, you can fire up intellij ID. And when you fire this up, go in the top right corner, click get from VCS. After that, paste your GitHub URL in here and then hit clone. Okay, good job, you've already made it quite far. Let's now configure our JDK version. Go to File and then Project Structure. And then under the SDK section, click your JDK 11. If you don't see any JDK of version 11 right there, you can click Add SDK and then download JDK. Click 11 as a version and then click your desired vendor. Click Download. After that, click Apply and then OK. If you have this error, I want to show you what I have done. So I have just copied a part of the error and looked up in the Runelite Discord if anyone had the same error. And I saw this guy, and then Apex responded, comment out Maven local in your build.gradle. So let's do that. Let's go to our build.gradle and comment this out. Only do this if you have this error, and then reload your Maven. Okay, we are almost there. Go into the top right corner and click Add Configuration. Then hit the plus sign. Then hit Application. And in here we can name this whatever we want. In the module not specified section, we can click our JDK 11. Then click here example.test. In our main class we are going to select this in our project. So go under example, then source code, then test. And then we see example plugin test. Click OK. And then go under modify options. Click add VM options. And in the VM options input field, type -EA. Click apply and OK. If we would run this right now, this would actually work. But let's rename a few things to our likings. Let's go under the runelite-plugin.properties file. And here you can edit all sorts of properties. You can edit the display name, the author. And in the support section, I would recommend filling in your GitHub repository URL. People can report issues there. Let's now do the last step. Let's go under our source code directory and then under main, we will see com.example. Let's right click on example and go under refactor and then click rename. I'm gonna choose to rename this to org.makingstand. But you can do whatever you want here. Click refactor. Let's now rename our public classes. I chose to rename example plugin test to plugin launcher in the exact same way. Now let's edit our configurations again in the top right corner. And let's make sure this path is right. So go to browse, then click project, and then go under source code, test, Java, org.makingstand, and click plugin launcher. You can do whatever you named your main class. Click OK, click apply, and then OK. And then run this. Once you've ran this, you will see that Runelite will open. And for you to test if it actually worked, you can go under settings and then type in example. And then you will see this example plugin right here. Bam, it works. Congratulations. I do want to mention a few things. You can include an icon for your plugin. If you include an icon.png file that's 48 by 72 pixels in your example parent directory. It shouldn't be named example, but whatever. If you have any Runelite specific development questions, you can always go in the Runelite Discord under the development channel. You can always ask questions right here. If you have questions about setting up your Runelite development environment for the specific video, you can leave a comment down below or contact me on Discord. My Discord is in the description. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you will have a blast making your own Runelite plugins. I would appreciate a like and subscribe. If you're interested in game development, you can join my Discord down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.